you can see, I got all the black painted on there. I'm now going to put this U-bolt on there, and that'll be good for that. Then after that, I can put the tires back on, cinch them all down. I did get some new lug nuts, and then we'll start the wiring process. So give me just a second. Hopefully this goes smoothly. Alright, so I got these lug nuts. These are 1/2 inch by 20 thread pitch, I think that's what we did. Went to Tractor Supply, and 5 of these were like $11.99, 12 bucks or something like that. Yeah, I bought 20 of these for like 14. So we'll see how good they fit. It is the little bling blingy chrome ones. It doesn't have that chrome cap that's on there. Stay away from those. Alrighty, I'm going to go do the other side and I'll get back with you. Alright, so we got the tires on. They look pretty good, other than being bald. So I'm going to do the wiring now. I figured it's a whole lot easier to do the wiring now than with all the boards on there. So let me show you what wiring kit I got. This is a good old Amazon find. Give me just a second, I'll show you how much I paid for it. This whole kit was $35.99. I'm gonna open it, see what's in there. Little installation guide. This one's actually pretty simple. There's your basic electrical tools. You can put this thing together. We're not doing anything with trailer brakes or nothing like that. So this is the LED version, because I thought I was keeping this trailer. But side marker lights, all the wiring with the pigtail, license plate bracket, I'm assuming, a couple of nuts, a couple of these wire ties, the actual LED lights themselves, and got a couple of the reflective tape, so that's cool. Since this was bent up, I'm going to try to flatten this out while we work. Okay, so pulled the old one off. This is the good one. This was on the, I guess it'd be the driver's side. It sticks out like that. Yeah, there's no way I could have used this. I've already cut out a whole bunch of wires that's frayed. And then here's one that's on the passenger side, and it's just, yeah, as you can see, wouldn't have been able to use that. So kind of glad we went this route. I need to clean up where these mount, probably put a layer of paint on there, and then we'll start running the wires through. So I'll get right back with you. Okay, so I don't really know how well you'll be able to see this, but I got the left side split off, that is the green and brown, and I have the right side split off, which is yellow and brown. So go ahead and basically just feed these through all these holes that we got going on. So I got to be sure that I leave enough slack to actually reach the truck. So measure for that, and I'm going to do the other side now. Sorry for the butt shots. Alright, so as you can see, there is a white wire here. This is most likely going to be a ground. I'm going to double check everything, but we'll ground this to the trailer. So you can see the green and brown cable come all the way through here. And I am going to zip tie this, so this will be nice and out of the way. Just connect the green and brown wire from the light to the wire that we ran back here, and then this one we're going to ground to the frame of the trailer. Same thing with this one. We have our yellow and brown wire. We will tighten everything up and use zip ties, and it comes over here. So we have the brown and yellow wire, and then we will ground this this white wire. That's pretty much all there is to doing the trailer wiring. Like I said, I need to measure out, I don't know, give myself a foot or so slack to plug in the trailer lights, and then I need to zip tie everything in, and we're done. Alright, so here's where we're at. I did finish wiring it in. I put this sheathing on the outside. That'll kind of keep all those wires together. This white wire right here, it was only a few inches long, and I didn't really like that, so I just added onto it. I used one of the old wires, but it was a good old wire, and then I just grounded it to the frame there. And so I did scrape underneath it a little bit, so hopefully we get a good ground. Figure that out once we plug everything in. Should be good. What was the other thing? Oh, went ahead and kind of zip tied this up here, kind of keep it out of the way so it's not dragging on the ground. I did put some of the boards on, and it looks like I need to get, I don't know, probably a 8-inch or 10-inch wide board, rip that down. That'll fit right there in the middle. So yeah, same thing with this. I just put the ground onto there. I scraped away some of that rust, so again, hopefully we get a good connection there. We use that heat shrink on there, so yeah, it's starting to come together pretty good. Thanks for watching. Next video, we're going to be putting the decking onto the trailer, so y'all comment right. Hope this helps somebody out. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. See ya.